so we could see the decoys. Yeah!
Woo! Oh, that actually did reload it too. Look at that.
Oh, give me a goddamn high five! Yeah!
I'm surprised I got rid of him.
Scared the shit out of me, Jordan. Why would you grab the gun so quick?
We started running in. Well, then he just beelined it to the woods and took off. And we were wondering what the hell's going on, and we happened to look forward, and there's two other hunters walking right towards us. Didn't even see us until, I don't know, they got within 50 yards of us.
He was coming in hot that second time.
Yeah,
Because the jakes, he turned around and then came back out real hot.
Right.
Yeah.
And then the other hunters turned around and walked away from us. It's like, oh, okay, I guess this one's a bust. So then we stuck with it, went around towards southwest of it, figured we'll try there, and then we circled back around, and we set up just south of where we were the first time we saw this tom. Mitchell called one time, and
Oh, we saw the one that was spooked across too. So we didn't know if this tom was still here or if there was another one.
That was the other one. And then all of a sudden Mitchell's like, oh, there he is. He didn't gobble or anything, just came in all silent and
Right across. And then he was right about down there. One shot.
one
That's all it
shot, one
took.
kill.
Got a heck of a beard. One big spur makes up for the lack of the other one, I suppose.
Yeah, you got to split them in two, so you actually only have a half-inch spur on each side.
But yeah, that was a good hunt. It was a lot of fun. Glad we stuck through it today. Yeah, it was a good time. It was even, like I say, we didn't know if he was over here, if there was another one yet. We kind of expected to just see Jake's.
Yeah.
So good that he hung around for us.
Jordan's first bird, everybody.
Yeah. Thanks, Voltzes. This was all a lot of fun. It's a good time.
That was a fun hunt.
All right, who's gonna clean it?
It's you.